Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a bootable flash drive. Yes, how you can create a bootable flash drive. Today we're going to make use of the software known as a Power ISO. Yes, it's a very versatile software that is used for various technology, but today I'm going to use it to create a bootable flash drive. As you can see, I already have my Windows 10 software operating system that I'm going to be using. So if you've not downloaded yours, you want to download your Windows 10 and get it ready. Now after doing that, when you are done downloading your Windows 10 and when you are done installing the Power ISO, you want to open the operating system using the Power ISO, and this is how your interface is going to look like. So you want to click on Tools and click on Create Bootable USB Flash. Okay, you want to click OK to allow administrator to open this software. You want to click OK, click yes, and allow it to load. You can use the trial version or the paid version for this purpose. It works better. Any one of them work well. Okay, so when you are done doing that, this is what we display. Now you will be asked to select the flash drive that you are going to be using. Now if you go to my computer, okay, let's just go to computer. Okay, this PC, as you can see, that's the letter or the label of my flash drive. Then you want to locate this same label on Power ISO, just like what I just did. I just located the label. When you are done doing that, you want to click on Start. Okay, click OK. Then once the software is done embedding the operating system into the flash, then you are good to go. All you have to do is remove the flash, restart your laptop, and go ahead.